Going to work on the chain adjuster here. And I already got it together, so I'm just going to show you. I'm going to lift up the spur gear and show you the O-ring that goes under it. Then there's the tensioner slide. There. And the thrust pad goes down to the nylon support. Then I'm going to put the cover plate on it. I'm going to use a 4x8 pan head screw. Now there's the inner side plate, and on the table there is the nylon support that I forgot to put in it. And I'm going to see it. Nylon support goes in, inner side plate goes back on, and then I'm going to take the second 4x8 pan head screw and tighten it down, and that is ready to play ball now.